Are you looking for the best 3D printer under $500? In this video, we will look at some of the best 3D printer under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ZONESTAR Z9V5MK6 3D Printer. Experience the versatility and precision of our 4-in-1 out multicolor 3D printer. Capable of printing single color, multiple colors, and mixed colors in one machine, this advanced printer opens up endless possibilities for creative projects and professional applications. Equipped with a newly upgraded dual-gear feeding extruder, this 3D printer ensures smoother and more reliable material feeding. The enhanced mechanism minimizes the risk of clogs and ensures consistent print quality. Print large models with ease thanks to the generous build volume of 300 by 300 by 400 millimeters. Whether you're creating intricate designs or large-scale prototypes, this 3D printer has the capacity to meet your needs. User-friendly and accessible, our 3D printer supports multiple languages, making it easy for users from different regions to operate and navigate the interface seamlessly. Stay ahead of the curve with the ability to upgrade your 3D printer with new features. Our design allows for easy integration of future updates, ensuring your printer remains cutting-edge and functional. Enjoy the flexibility and community support of open-source software. Our 3D printer comes with open-source software, enabling users to customize settings, access a wide range of tools, and benefit from continuous improvements and innovations. Number 2. Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo 3D Printer. Anycubic Kobra 3 3D Printer with Anycubic ACE Pro enables printing in up to 4 colors. Create stunning designs with endless possibilities that you can only imagine, giving you the freedom to create personalized designs. Anycubic ACE Pro features a sealed storage design, integrates key features that include nozzle clog detection, automatic filament refill, drying, and RFID sync function, ensuring an efficient, convenient, successful printing experience. Anycubic Kobra 3 3D Printer features a high print speed of up to 600 mm per second with 20,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration, which is 12 times faster than regular FDM 3D printers. Printing with Anycubic's high-speed filament delivers superior print results. Built with accelerometer G sensors, Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo intelligently detects vibration frequencies and adjusts motion control, preventing ringing issues, ensuring smooth and high-quality prints. Easy to operate and assemble, Kobra 3 3D Printer is great combo of power and convenience. With unparalleled features like pre-installed, auto-leveling, dynamic structure, and more, it lets you dive into the world of 3D printing with ease. Number 3. Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo 3D Printer. The ACE Pro comes standard with humidity presets for various types of filaments. Simply select your desired filaments and wait for the perfect result. Dual PIC heating module plus 360 degrees hot air circulation drying technology ensures even heating of the filaments, keeping them in optimal printing condition at all times to create the perfect model. The ACE Pro features 4 slots, effortlessly tackling basic 4-color printing. When 2 ACE Pros are combined, you can then unleash 8-color printing to bring you even more unimaginable possibilities. Each filament spool is stored separately in its own slot, greatly reducing the chances of tangling due to filament retraction. Additionally, it includes a built-in buffering mechanical system to quickly detect filament entanglement and blockages, automatically pausing printing and displaying a notification to ensure a safe printing process. Input the filament information before printing, and when one filament spool is completely depleted, it will continue to feed from the spool with the exact same material and color. The seamless integration of the ultra-stable Core XY construction, dual motor drive, and Kobra OS system greatly minimizes vibrations duping printing, enhancing the responsiveness and precision of the extruder. This results in a smoother and more precise printing process. Number 4. Anycubic Kobra 3 Max 3D Printer. The Anycubic Kobra 3 Max Combo has an ultra-large print volume of 420 mm x 420 mm x 500 mm, enabling effortless creation of full-scale models like helmets, castles, and oversized 3D printed reliefs in multiple colors. With seamless printing that ensures the integrity of your creations. When printing in bulk, the large printing size of the Anycubic Kobra 3 Max Combo enables more models to be printed in each batch, reducing the overall number of printing cycles. This will save time and conserve materials when printing multicolor models in mass production. The Skip Objects function is supported by three ends: the app, slicing software, and printer. By utilizing AL recognition for real-time monitoring of the printing process, the system will automatically pause printing and alert the user if any abnormalities, such as spaghetti, are detected in a specific model during bulk printing. This feature helps prevent material wastage and ensures that subsequent models can be printed successfully. The ACE Pro supports standard 4-color printing. By pairing two ACE Pro units together, you can achieve brilliant 8-color printing, expanding possibilities for more vibrant and colorful creative projects. Number 5. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max 3D Printer. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max offers a spacious printing size of 298 mm x 164 mm x 300 mm, allowing for the creation of full-size masks, intricate game terrains, detailed cosplay props, and various models without the hassle of cutting and assembling. Li-Turbo 3.0 combines a COB light source and Fresnel lens, and factory calibrate technology can reach the light angle within 3 degrees, and light uniformity is more than 90%. With the anti-aliasing feature activated and paired with high-precision positioning lead screws, it effectively minimizes layer lines and aliasing to achieve a higher level of precision. The Photon Mono M7 reaches a maximum speed of 60 mm per hour thanks to Intelligent Release 2.0, a 200% speed increase comparing to the previous M3 Max printer. In addition, the flip-open cover design supports one-hand opening and hovering angles anywhere greater than 45 degrees that can save time and space. Dynamic Temperature Control Resin Vat will adjust the temperature of the resin material to maintain the optimal print temperature at all times for print success. And Resin Autofill feature allows for automatic filling and one-key recycling of remaining resin. Release Film uses integrated design for easier replacement. After printing is completed, the model can be suspended above the platform with a small angle, allowing the resin to flow back into the resin vat. And a bigger resin vat with 1,300 milliliters volume for large models.